So what is up, legends? Lots of you guys was asking me how to connect ManyChat with Facebook ads, right? So that's why I have created this mini tutorial on how to connect ManyChat with Facebook ad in less than 30 seconds. So this video is not going to be about like how to set up or build. I'm just going to show you how to connect with, because of the latest and some limitation of Facebook, it's been complicated to add and lots of beginners was finding it hard to connect. So that's why I have created this video. So if you are new to this channel and if you want to learn more about digital marketing or how to build chatbot for agency, restaurant, or any niche, so hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to make video a lot on chatbots. So let's get started on my desktop. So we are on our desktop. So first of all, as you know, you have to just sign in on the ManyChat account. So just click on get started. So click on continue with Facebook. So you always need a Facebook account. So basically this is my client account, so I will hide this name here because of the privacy. So go to the growth tools here. So if you already have a chatbot built, I will show you how to connect that also. Okay, so basically what we use is Facebook ad JSON. So click on it. So you will get a chatbot, a pre-built chatbot like this, but you can build as you go. If you want to learn more about how to build chatbot, hit that subscribe button. So whenever I make a video on chatbot, you will get a notification on it. So we are going to do lots of video on chatbot. So here it is, 1 or 2, it's already built. So basically here it's the code where you have to click on it, and here you will find that JSON code. So after building a chatbot, just copy this code and make sure you don't add any name here. Okay, if you add like welcome/name, it will give you an error. So make sure you don't do that. And you should there is a mandatory, you should have a button here. If you don't add a button, it is not going to work. So you have to add a button here. So let's get to the ad manager. So this is my ad manager of my client. So basically you can see I'm running ads on it. So this ad I started today only. You can see I got around 8 messages in $1.90. So this is my Australian client. So you can see I'm running this ads in Australia. So I'm getting in just 1.90 per messaging. Okay, 11 click, 8 message. So you can see, imagine my result. Okay, so this is my client account. So I will blur this name. So I'm clicking on it. On a create ad, click on messages, and I will not walk through this all the process, but you can learn this from my other videos. So I'm going to build in future, or some I have already did it, so you can learn from it. So I'm directly going through the ad manager, and you have to add your primary text, headline, description, whatever it is, and go to the here advanced setup. Okay, click on edit. Here you have to remove all this from here. Remove that, copy your code here. Okay, so basically we have connected our code here. You have to name the chatbot, whatever the chatbot name is. I will just write here chatbot demo. Okay, whatever your chatbot name is, you can write restaurant or whatever it is. Save as template, save and finish. So basically it is connected. You can see the chatbot demo is coming in. You can click on preview in messages, and it will be sent you message on your Facebook page. So basically this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you want to learn more about chatbot marketing, how to run more ads like this and get amazing result, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.